Yo, yo, ra, ba, 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 oh! Su- Yo, what's up, my people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, we're gonna react to someone new. I'm not sure who is this guy, what he's capable of, but today I'll be learning about him at this point. Yo, I'm excited, bro. Like, I get this excitement whenever time I'm about to hear someone new. Okay, my people. So today we'll be reacting to Erik Grönwall, and this song that he'll be doing is called "I Will Always Love You." So let's dive in. Let's see what this man is capable of doing. Peace.
If I should stay, I would
Oh, 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 oh. Bullet, 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 bullet.
only be in your way, so I'll go.
Ain't no way. This is Erik's real voice. Like, I mean, like, oh. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Okay, so it's his real voice then. All right, I'm loving it.
But I know I'll think of you every step of the way.
Almighty goodness. Oh, 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 woo! Whoa, okay, okay, okay. This is some real type of shit, bro. This is real.
And I will always love you.
Whoa, the piano skills is awesome. His voice, it's terrific. His stance, it's a phenomenon.
Will always love you.
No, I've seen someone who I cannot add to my playlist. Because if he's contained with such importance of a beautiful voice, then who am I not to add this guy into my playlist? He's freaking good, bro.
You.
Oh! Oh! Ooh, 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 ooh. Ah! Yo, Erik, that was incredible. That was incredible. That note he pulled, bro. His vocals, it's out of this world. It's mind blowing. Yo, ain't no way. Ain't no way. He's doing this without even trying to do it. Oh my gosh, bro. Like, ah, this is good. Yo, the musician, bro, they are so good. They are so good, my bro. Like, they're killing it. Great musician skills, great music skills, great piano skills. I'm not sure if this is a trumpet or a saxophone, I'm not sure. But either way, correct me if I'm wrong. So please let me know down in the comments what does this thing called that this man is using? Is it a trumpet? Is it a saxophone? I'm not sure, but bro, regardless of that, he's killing it. Yo, it sounds so good, bro.
Kind, and I hope
his voice is so good, so good, so good, so good. Pound it, bro. Pound it. Pound the hell out of it, bro. Kill it. Oh!
Hope you have all you dreamed of, and I wish you joy and happiness. But above all this, I wish you love.
Yo, yo. Oh! Sue! Yo, yo. This is crazy out here. Crazy out here. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. To do that, bro, is that easy? Yo, that was good. That was so good. That was so good. Guys, I'm feeling good. Oh, yo, who is this guy? He's terrific. Oh my god. What a flipping phenomenal! Ah! Oh! Yo! When music hits, one good thing about music, when it hits you, you feel no pain. Not one drop of pain. Damn! Damn, bro. I am speechless at this point. Right now, I do not know what to say about this guy. Too good. No, that's something I call a championship. Splendid. Absolutely splendid, bro. Erik, my first time here was wild with you, bro. Was wild. I mean, like, you've done something I never heard. So much effort coming from a man, bro. Like, you kill this one, bro. You kill this one. Wow. Wow. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to smash the subscribe button for more Erik reaction. And I think there are plenty of songs displayed on his Vivo. So I have a lot of reaction to be done. So if you guys do not want to miss a thing whenever time I react to Erik, you guys should know what to do. Let me inform you what to do. Subscribe, turn the bell icon on to be notified so you guys won't miss a thing of a reaction when it comes out to Erik. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.